Welcome to a video from thedigitalLifestyle.com. This video we're going to have a look at some of the changes in the Windows 10 Creator Update for mobile. The PC versions had lots of changes, lots of new features, and I have recorded a separate video of those which you can have a look at on our YouTube channel or on thedigitalLifestyle.com. Mobile, there's less changes, but there are a few nice enhancements, so I thought I'd highlight those in a quick video. First of all, we've got new sounds. There's new email sounds, new messaging sounds, we've got new calendar sound, and so some new sounds, which sounds nice when you've got a fresh new sound, so that's new to the Creators Update. Right, more interesting stuff I guess is you can now manage your apps on Windows 10 mobile, something you couldn't do before, which you could do on the PC side of things. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, let's say you've got an app that's misbehaving. Well, this is for Windows 10 mobile apps, not for Windows Phone 8 that are on your device, but let's say this one. Say I'm having problems with this app, I can go to Advanced Options and I can do Reset, and that resets the app and fixes it basically. So it uninstalls it and reinstalls it, which is very handy if you're having problems with an app that's not opening properly, and that can fix it for you. So a minor but useful thing. If you get an app like this one, or these which haven't got the advanced option, so that's got the advanced, that hasn't, it's because that's an old Windows Phone 8 app, it hasn't got the repair function, and that is a new one and that has got the reset option. Okay. What else? Microsoft Edge has picked up a few changes, and here I've got an EPUB book, and this is one of the new features. So this is an EPUB book that I'm reading here in Edge. You notice we've got the new toolbar showing you some of the new options, so I can jump to a page and I can read that. This is the PC version has the same thing, but there's also this as well.
List of how its space is being used, as broken down by file.
So yeah, the book is being read out to me.
File history. The file history feature
there you go. That book's being read out to me.
A long line of backup.
And that's a new feature in Edge on mobile. It can read out those EPUB books for you. So again, another minor thing, but if it's something that's important to you, then definitely worth it. The zooming as well has been improved, Microsoft says, so the pan and zooming around on pages is a lot better as well. A couple of other changes that are actually under the hood that make a big difference is Bluetooth GATT support. So that's Bluetooth GATT, and that's used for devices to push notifications to smart devices like smartwatches, that kind of thing. So it means that developers like Fitbit can enable push notifications, so notifications when you got a new email or text message or any app message can get pushed to a Fitbit as well. So that's good to see. Something else which I can't quite show you right now, but is new, is on the Continuum side of things. Continuum, there's now separate timeouts for the phone and the Continuum screen. So Continuum is where you're using this phone effectively as a PC connected to a monitor, either wirelessly or through a dock, and then you can have this phone screen go off while continue working on the PC screen, the Continuum screen, or vice versa. So it means that you're saving battery on your phone. You don't need to have both on at the same time. Right, notifications have got some new settings, so let's have a look at those. If I go into settings, notifications, you've got a lot more control. This has changed as well. I'm fairly early on in the build, but you've got a lot more control over the individual apps. You can choose whether an app is allowed to push notifications. If it is allowed to push notifications, which sound, which is the screen you saw me before, so I can do that. When a new Windows 10 build's pushed, this app detects that and then we'll play that sound, or I could change it to be that one. Something else that's changed as well is the Wi-Fi screen. This actually now looks like the Wi-Fi screen on the PC version. Another thing is if you get a missed call on here, so someone rings your phone, it goes in notification center, and you can then respond to it directly from the notification center. Cortana's had a few improvements. If you've got the Tuning Radio app, it can sync up with that, and there's a few more control options. If you're in the US, there's extra ones, like I think iHeartRadio and some others as well. So one of the things that's changed is the animation for Windows Hello is quicker. There we go. So apparently that animation is quicker, and that was introduced on one of the builds earlier this year, and it does make it feel a bit quicker. So the OS is more stable, it feels slightly quicker, and you get the other nice changes that I mentioned as well. So it's not going to make a huge difference to Windows 10 Mobile market share or anything like that. It just is, if you've got Windows 10 Mobile, it's just better, and you should definitely get it. You can get it through Windows Update April 25th, or it's available for Windows Insider currently on the fast, slow and release preview rings, although you probably only want, if you don't want to get further development builds, then release preview rings is probably the best one to get on, but you can always wait for the rollout. So thanks for watching this video. Have a look at the PC version on the Digital Lifestyle on our YouTube channel. You're also on Facebook and Twitter, ISDixon on Twitter. Thanks for watching.